Chicken with macarons in white sauce. Ingredients: chicken, pepper, salt, olive oil, 2 tablespoons, water, accurate cup, macarons, 250 grams, butter, 3 tablespoons, white wine, flour, 2 tablespoons, milk, 1 cup. Preparation: it started by seasoning the chicken breast with salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons of olive oil was added to a pan the cooked chicken along with the cooked coconut water. 250 grams of sliced macarons were cut. 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter were taken to fry the macarons by adding a pinch of salt and a drink of white wine. Macarons and chicken breast were stored in different containers. 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour were placed in a pan stored together with cup of milk and salt to taste. Water the indicated thickness was obtained. This recipe is finished when mixing the chicken with macarons and the white sauce at low temperature and for 5 minutes. Thank you very much. My name is Jessica Cortez.